How many times in our life have we heard the term passion and felt lost? When people around us are speaking about, my passion is helping others, my passion is teaching, my passion is going out, exploring the world, my passion is, being an influencer on social media, my passion is to get into a charity and whatnot, right? And somewhere deep within, we feel that, it's such a blessing for the other person to have realized their passion, while we somewhere are stuck not knowing what we want to do, right? Somewhere or the other, if you've even identified a path for yourself, there are still times when you doubt yourself that, what I'm doing is absolutely something that I wish to be doing, or I should be doing something else. So today I thought, why not on day 4 of our challenge, let's tap on this particular topic, which is identifying my passion and my purpose of life. You may be already on the journey towards finding that path, or you may be just starting out, or you may be already following your passion. But nonetheless, if you're already following your passion, I'll try to increase that passion, that zeal within you, right? With this tapping, if you are not on the path, I'll try to help you identify what is it that you should be doing in your life that will give you fulfillment, and at the same time money if you want to convert that passion into your career, right? So how about we start tapping on this topic about identifying my passion and my purpose in life. All right, let's start. Even though today I somewhere feel that I'm not really very close to my passion, I don't really know what I'm meant to be doing in this world, I still choose to love, honor and respect myself. Even though I sometimes find it difficult to understand that what is the real reason I took birth on this earth for, or if this purpose, passion, all these topics are even real, I still choose to love and honor and respect myself. There are times when I often feel jealous of the people who are living their passion, who are living their purpose. But today, I choose to love, honor and respect all my feelings. Alright, let's start tapping from the eyebrow point, okay? These terms, passion, purpose of life, these terms somewhere are very deep. And at times, I'm not able to really understand what's the meaning of these terms. Is there really something like the purpose of life? Is there really something that we all are born on this earth for? And is it really so important for us to identify why we were born on this earth for? All of these questions are very deep. And sometimes when I sit with myself, I'm not able to find answers to these questions. But I truly want to. I truly want to understand that what's my higher purpose? Why is it that I came on this earth? Why is it that I was born as a human being in the first place? Why is it that God selected me and sent me on this earth? What did He have in His mind when He was sending me on this earth? Why exactly did I come? I want answers to these questions, because deep within I know that if I'm really in alignment with my purpose and I'm really following my passion, that will make me a more happier and a more fulfilled person. That will make me more full of life. That will make me happier somewhere deep within, knowing that I'm really enjoying what I'm doing, and probably this is what I was meant to do on this earth. It's a journey of finding answers to these questions. It's not a one-day thing. It's not like one day I will have an awakening and I'll try to understand, okay, I was born on this earth for this. No. It's a journey, and I want to enjoy this journey of finding answers to these questions. These answers may not come in a day or in a week, but I know deep within that the answers are only within me. It's my gut feeling that will give me answers to these questions. What is it that I came on this earth for? What's my purpose? What do I really love doing? And somewhere, if I go deeper into my childhood and try to find answers to these questions, I believe I can find them. because they lie somewhere in my nature. If my nature since my childhood has been of helping other people, of being someone who's very gentle, polite, and always, wants to look after other people, somewhere my passion and my purpose and my drive will be towards a career choice or towards doing something in which helping others is involved. If since my childhood I have felt pain for the underprivileged, I have felt that deep desire to help the underprivileged, to basically be able to help in any manner, somewhere my purpose will be to work towards for the underprivileged people. If since my childhood I have been very interested into gadgets, into technology, into learning new things, then somewhere my purpose, my passion would be in building something that will help improve other people's life in the technology space. So it's not a difficult thing to find out. I maybe have to just go deep within me to identify what is it that I really love doing. What is it that gives me true joy, true happiness? What are some 2-3 things that I can keep doing for my entire life without ever feeling tired, without ever feeling that, no, I'm not liking doing this? What is it that I can keep doing every single day without looking at the clock? What gives me that happiness, that zeal, that joy, and does not put a pressure on my mind? What are those things that I can just keep on doing and never feel like stopping? What is it that will keep me maybe up at nights because I really want to accomplish that? If I am able to find answers to these questions, and I know it's within me, it's not somewhere outside, it's not like I need anybody to help me with these answers are deep within me. I just need to search a little bit deeper in me, and I know I'm going to find it out. I know this is going to be mind blowing when I learn a little bit more about myself and I'm able to work on myself. But this is such a nice feeling, knowing that if only I do a little bit searching within me, if I go into my childhood, maybe into my college years, and try to understand what has been my nature, what has been some things that I have always enjoyed doing, that's my calling, that's my purpose, and that's what I'm meant on this earth for. Because I may have tried to keep them within me, I may have tried not to give attention to those, but God has given me, sometimes on some occasions, some prompts which helped me realize that this is what I should be doing. So today I decide to deep search within me and find these answers that I have been looking for, because these are the answers that are going to take me towards my purpose. These are the answers that are going to take me towards my passion in life. I'm so excited to embark on this journey. I'm just really excited. I know if I'm able to identify this purpose and follow my passion, I will be unstoppable. But more importantly, as compared to the money that it will bring in or anything else, the satisfaction that I crave, the fulfillment that I crave in this life, the joy that I crave, it all lies within these answers. It all lies in the answer to what is it that I really love doing. And I know the answer is deep within me. I know. I just have to sit for a few minutes with me, and the answers will start unfolding themselves. The answers will start coming to me themselves. This is the joy, this is the beauty of me as a human body and the soul within me. It is giving me the answers. It has all the answers and it's giving me the answers. I just have to listen to them. It's there within me, and I know I'm going to find it. I know what is it that is my calling. I know what is my purpose in life. The answers are right within me, and I'm getting answers to those questions right now. I'm getting that vision of myself. What is it that I really love? And that is what I have to follow. Yes, it's the gut feeling deep within which is giving me the answers. I was just not paying attention to it so far. But now, as I'm paying attention, these voices in me have always told me what I want to do. These voices in me have always tried to push me in a certain direction. Maybe I did not pay attention so far, but now I know these voices have always been there. And that is what I'm going to follow. This voice that says, this is what you're meant to become. This is what you're meant to do. All right, you can close your eyes and take a deep breath. Amazing. So the answers are deep within you, and I'm sure you're going to find answers to these questions. I'm so excited for you to be embarking on this journey, and if you got a glimpse of what you want to become during this tapping, do tell me in the comment box, on a personal chat, any way you feel like, would do tell me. I would really be excited for you and will root for you to be following your purpose. With this, I sign off right now. I'll see you on day 5 of the challenge. Thank you.